You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 5,877, or 76.662. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals -36 and y1 equals 68. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 3 and y2 equals 2. D is the distance between the 2 points. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that taking the square root of both sides leads us to the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -36. x2 equals 3. y1 equals 68. y2 equals 2. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 5,877, or 76.662.